Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today, on this little extra pixie dust, we're doing a cocktail. This comes from Disney Springs from the Coke Rooftop. We are going to make a winter spiced cranberry cocktail. So what I have to start is I have some crushed ice in my glass. To that, I am going to add Jeremiah Weed cinnamon whiskey. The actual ingredients in it are Jack Daniel's Fire. We really like the Jeremiah Weed cinnamon whiskey. It's a little bit more cinnamon, and it's what we have on stock, so that's what I'm using today. To that, I'm going to add grenadine. And then I'm going to top this glass off with the Sprite Winterspice Cranberry. This is a seasonal flavor. I didn't have a hard time finding it. It's still early in the season. I would say if it's something you're interested in, probably look for it now, because I have heard it's popular and tends to sell out quickly. We're going to fill this up. Slow so I don't make a mess. Just a little bit more. Let that settle for a second. I like the way it looks right now, so I'm going to let it be. I'd say before you drink it, probably give it a little stir. But we're going to garnish it with some fresh cranberries. And some mint leaves. So I get this little guy to sit nice. There he is. So there you have it, the winter spiced cranberry cocktail. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.